Are you looking for the perfect seasoning to elevate your chicken wings? Today we're testing out McCormick Smash seasoning on some direct charcoal grilled wings. Will it deliver the bold flavors it promises? Stick around to find out. Before we get into today's video, just wanted to give a huge thank you to our channel members. Channel memberships are a great way to further support the channel, get additional perks, and access to more exclusive content. If you'd like to learn more about our channel memberships, please see the link in the description below. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Keith, and I absolutely love exploring different grilling techniques and seasonings to help take your grilling game to the next level. Today, we're firing up the Char-Griller to test McCormick Smash seasoning. I know this seasoning is quite popular for smash burgers. However, today, we're going to use it on some direct grilled chicken wings. I'm going to show you the prep, the cook, and of course, my honest taste test. Let's get started. We're going with our standard 2 chimney starters for today's grilling session. I'll be using Kingsford Original Charcoal Briquettes. If you need some additional help with using chimney starters, I'll drop a card up above and leave a link down in the description below to a video that's dedicated to showing you how to use chimney starters. First, let's prep the wings. I've got about 30 to 35 whole chicken wings here, clean and patted dry. I've already rubbed these down with some extra virgin olive oil. Now we're ready for the star of the show, this McCormick Smash seasoning. It's advertised as a bold blend, heavy on black pepper with a hint of salt and other spices. We're going to give these wings a generous coating, making sure every piece is covered evenly. With our wings seasoned, let's let them sit on the counter and rest until our charcoal gets ready. Our coals are ready, so let's go ahead and get our grill set up. For today's grilling session, we'll be using the direct grilling technique. That means we're going to spread our coals evenly across our entire grill, and we'll be cooking our food directly over the coals. In my experience, the direct method is going to give you the most intense, smoky charcoal flavor on your food as compared to other grilling techniques. However, since we're grilling directly over the coals, we're going to have to pay close attention to our grill so that we don't overchar and burn our food. After getting our coals on the grill and letting it reach a temperature of ideally 500 degrees Fahrenheit, we're now ready to clean our grates. I'm going to use my grill brush to clean my grates. Make sure you use a quality grill brush. I'll drop a link down in the description below to some brushes I recommend. After each grate is clean, let's apply either some olive oil or non-stick cooking spray to our grill brush so that we can lubricate our grates. In order to prevent your food from sticking to the grill, here's some things to keep in mind. Number 1, make sure your grates are clean. Number 2, make sure your grates are lubricated. And number 3, make sure your grill is hot before adding your food. If you do all 3 of these steps, you should significantly reduce the chances of your food sticking to your grill grates. For today's grilling session, I'm going with my standard vent configuration. We'll set the intake vent to be wide open, and we'll set the exhaust stack to be set to about halfway. If we need to make any adjustments, we'll make them to the exhaust stack. But honestly, I very seldom make any adjustments at all to my vents. Through a lot of trial and error, I found that my grill drafts and performs the best with this vent configuration. So I just like leaving this alone. And if we need to make any adjustments for the sake of temperature, I'll make these to either the meat placement and fuel source. If you want more details on my philosophy for maintaining temperature on a charcoal grill, I'll drop a card here to a video for you to check out. Our grill is nice and hot and has come up to temperature, so let's go ahead and get these wings on the grill. Since we're cooking these wings directly over the coals at high heat today, I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna hang out right here by the grill to listen out for any flare-ups and making sure our wings cook nicely. The time is now 4:06 p.m. Temperature gauge is showing 380 degrees. Our chicken wings have been on about 3 minutes. This is the first 3 minutes we put them on here. Now I'm going in and I'm flipping them. It's time for another 2 to 3 minute flip, so let's go in here and manage the grill. And man, upon opening the lid, I tell you, this Smash seasoning is very aromatic. Oh man, a combination of this seasoning with that pepper content and cooking over direct heat like this, you can definitely smell it coming through. So when I'm cooking wings, the way I manage my grill, I like to come in and flip every 2 to 3 minutes or as needed. Because I'm sitting right here by the grill, like I told you earlier, I'm listening for any flare-ups, anything that could happen to where we need to go in a bit earlier. I'm right here ready for it. So let's go ahead and manage our grill. We're gonna do this every 2 to 3 minutes or as needed for the next hour or so until these wings are done. So hold on and we'll be right back. So through the miracle of time, these wings are done. Total cook time today was about 60 minutes. Our grill temps, we were anywhere from 340 degrees Fahrenheit all the way to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So these wings have the color we want. They have the texture we want. They're coming in at the right internal temperature. So let's go ahead and get these wings off the grill and head inside to really dive into the flavor profile. Now let's dive into these wings. They've got a nice char and that unmistakable smoky flavor from direct grilling, which is always a win. Now the seasoning itself held up nicely under the high heat of direct grilling. That's a plus, but here's my take. The pepper dominates this blend. It's bold, but it overshadows the other spices, making it hard to pick up the full flavor profile of the seasoning. If you enjoy a strong pepper seasoning, this might be just what you're looking for. For me, the balance wasn't quite right. Any more seasoning and the pepper would have been overwhelming. Honestly, a mix of sea salt and coarse black pepper could achieve a similar result. That said, I do appreciate that it's a no-fuss seasoning that can hold its own on the grill. It's bold, simple, and dependable for those who like a kick of pepper in their dishes. So while it's not a seasoning I'd use for every cook, McCormick Smash seasoning does have its place for those bold flavor moments. It's worth a try. Who knows? It might be exactly what you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.